You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm going to check out the Rainbow Gummy Candy Lab. Now, those of you that watch my videos often or regularly, you will know that Butch and I showed this in a previous video. So I do need to give a big thank you to Thames Kosmos for sending this to me for free, so we can all learn about it on video today. Ages 6+. Now, parents, I know you're watching. Please, if you can, go to luckypennyshop.com. If you're buying on Amazon, click through there to find the products you are looking for. I hope you check it out. All right, learn about the science behind these yummy treats and experiment with gummies, okay? Now, I see a lot of different colors on the box here. So there's cherry, raspberry, banana, and vanilla gummy candy mix. Okay, so those are all the different colors. I wonder if they're saying you can... Oh, there's nutritional facts. I wonder if they're saying you can mix and match whatever you want to do. There's a lot in here. Let's see. Hey, gummy scientists. Unicorns, clouds, and rainbows. Oh my. Make your own delicious, fun gummy shapes using a gelatin mixture. Pour it into the included mold and concoct a spectrum of flavors and colors to personalize your unicorn, cloud, and rainbow-shaped gummy creations. You can even add citric acid to make sour gummies. Learn about the scientific properties of natural polymers as you cook up these delicious treats. This kit includes all the food ingredients needed for a rainbow gummy good time. It said cook. I didn't know I was cooking. We will see. Make your own gummies with cherry, raspberry, banana, and vanilla flavors. Make gummy gift bags for your friends and family. Learn about the science of gel materials and experiment with gummies. And that's everything that's in the box right there, okay? 16-page full-color workbook. I'm sure you're all just as curious as me. I feel like my mouth is watering. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because it's been a while since I've been able to show you a kit on video. And you know, I've shown probably, I'm going to say, the most food kid candy kit maker sets than anybody else in the world on video. Would you agree? I think so. Ooh, okay, so there's a healthy amount of packets. And you never know by looking at the box exactly what you expect. Okay, so there's the rainbows, there's the clouds, there's the unicorns. So you have 3 rows of unicorns going all the way around. Can you see the unicorn? Hard to see the shape in there. And then here is what looks to be little stickers. Gummy candy, yum, yum, yum. So you can send those or give those as a gift like they were saying. The booklet, and then all of the packs. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of flavors. All right, so there's a lot to experiment with. Now, I was curious when they said cooking. I don't remember seeing anything about cooking. Cooking. Okay, hot water. Okay, so I'm cooking with hot water. All right, so let me come back now. I'll clean out the countertop. I'll grab some water, some bowls, and supplies that I need, and then I will mix up my gummy candy kit. All right, so let's just start by looking at, well, first, there is a little section here. After you get through all of the safety information, warning, not suitable for children under 6, must be supervised at all times. Ingredients, this tells you what's in the ingredients packets. Safety, and advice for parents and supervising adults. This experiment kit is not suitable for children under 6 years. It must be used with an adult at all times. The kit provides a fun introduction to physical science topics through gummy candy, making activities and experiments. Okay, the work of a candy maker is fun and exciting, but it's not always easy. This is why we would like to thoroughly inform you of safety precautions so that you can guide your child with advice and help. You must supervise and assist him or her with all of the activities in this kit, but especially when using the stove, microwave, and working with hot ingredients. That is very important. So this is what I saw, just so that you can see what I see here. Let me do this. This way I can just leave the booklet there and you can maybe read more. If you enlarge the video, supersize it. Okay, all right. So to make the gummies, you will need scissors. All right, so that's all up there. We'll just do this here. Check. Tablespoon. Check. Teaspoon. Got it. Water. Got it. Small bowl. spoon, toothpick or fork, plate, and a refrigerator. Now I got everything here but the refrigerator, as you could tell, but you understand I cannot add that. And then there are additional items. For some experiments, you also need drinking glass or jar, measuring cup, food coloring, tablespoon and teaspoon, microwave-safe plates, microwave, and paper cups. A lot going on there. Let's just read this first one here. Hey, gummy scientists! Want to make yummy gummy candy treats in all the colors of the rainbow and learn some physical science while you're at it? Then let's get started. After you've made your gummy shapes, you can wrap them in a plastic bag and label with the included labels. Then you can give them to your family and friends. Gumby the Geeker will be your guide. So that is Gumby the Geeker. I'll show you these one more time so you can get a closer look. I will not use them today, but I think you get the idea. Make your own gummy candies. All right. With this kit, you can make vanilla white clouds, 1 or 2 unicorn colors, 1 or 2 color unicorns, 3 color rainbows, or 6 color rainbows. Now, I'm not sure I'm going to do 6 colors because that probably requires food coloring with the white. I will make this vanilla white cloud. I'm interested in seeing that. And then I'll mix up a few colors and probably just fill up part of the tray. Somewhere I read that 1 full packet fills about 75% of the tray. Okay, that's somewhere in all of this information. I do remember reading it somewhere. Where did I read it? I read it somewhere. Oh, here. 1 50-gram packet fills the plastic gummy molding tray about 75 to 100% full, depending on how full you make each mold. Now, let's see. General instructions. Combine 3 parts gummy mix with 4 parts hot tap water and mix thoroughly. For example, mix 1 tablespoon of gummy mix with 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of hot water. Use level spoonfuls and do not pack the powder when taking your measurements. Use the hottest water you can get from your faucet. You could also heat up water in a microwave. Do not use boiling water. Once mixed, spoon the gummy mixture into the molds. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the vanilla white clouds. And it continues on here if you want to, you have an option here of using the sour gummy mix somewhere here. So I think I might do that. And then I'm going to get to this point. Oh yeah, here's a little plastic bag with a little label in there and your gummy clouds. This is what they look like. So let's come back now. I've got everything ready. Let's make some vanilla white clouds. All right, here will be your close-up. There's 10 steps, 9, 10. There's 9, 10, and 9, 10. So there's 2 9, 10 steps there. Maybe you can go here. Here if you want to make the sour ones, and straight down if you just want to finish them off, okay? So let's see. Step 1, cut open the vanilla white gummy. It says right in here, white gummy mix. Okay. I will do that right now. Ooh, it smells really good, like vanilla cake batter, or vanilla cake frosting. Measure 1 level tablespoon of white gummy mix into your bowl. Now it does say you get 4 mixes out of this. Save 1. Oh, there's enough white gummy mix to meet 4 times. Save 1 tablespoon of white gummy powder for the 6 colors. So be careful, don't use it all at one time. All right, then I guess they want you to mix, so I'll use this spoon here. Okay, that's it. Turn on the water faucet. Did all that. Measure 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of hot water and pour it into the bowl. I'm going to switch now to this set. 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon and mix. Okay. I was thinking originally that the white gummy and the sour would mix together, but it's not. You make the gummies and then you pour to the bowl. Stir the mixture with a spoon until the gummy mix is completely dissolved and the mixture appears smooth, okay? It's close. Spoon the mixture into the cloud. So it's smooth enough that you can spoon it in. You don't have to like dribble it in or force it in there. Put the tray in the refrigerator and let the gummy solidify for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I think we're smooth. We're definitely smooth. Here we go. Here, let me do this. Let me bring the camera down and give you a nice angled shot. All right, here we go. I'm switching sides so that you can watch this better. There's my clouds. Now, it did say that you have to be careful when you're taking them out of the mold so that you don't crack the plastic. It's not a very, what you would call it, kind of mold. Flexible. Look at that. Now it looks like there's enough to make another shape, so maybe I'll make a white unicorn. Or two. I might just leave this like this and then come back now and make a couple colored ones for you. A little harder to fill the tray. They have little tiny unicorn feet. Okay. I think I can make one more. I keep mixing as I go so that I get a nice even mix here. All right, that's pretty good. I think I can zoom in there just a little so you can see them. How's that? All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let that sit just a second, wash what I have done already, and then I'm going to come back and do some color ones before I put this in the fridge. All right, so red, blue, and yellow. That is the next experiment. They want you to gradiate it through the trays, and you get these really cool looking unicorns with varied colors. And you can do the same thing with the rainbow, so I'm going to do that. It's kind of like a 2-in-1. They show you all the steps here. But the beginning part of 1 tablespoon of gummy, and then the water is exactly the same. So I am going to put the yellow in my yellow bowl. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get each tablespoon set. I got color coordinated bowls. Maybe some of you noticed that. Yellow. Okay. And then bleh. I'm going to do the bleh next. This is blue. Now all the powders, well, this one actually, it does have a slight yellow hue to it. This one has a slight bluish greenish hue to it. And red. I'm going to do the red. This way, I can show you all 3 colors at one time. All right. Now, my question to the instructions, do you do 1 each, and then 1 each, and then 1 each? It kind of looks that way. Stir the mixture with a spoon, okay, complete as all, working from left to right, and then it repeats steps 1 through 5. So they want you to do them 1 at a time. So let's just do them in that order. We'll do the yellow first. We'll get them in the tray. We'll have to move quick. So 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. You can't beat that. Ooh, nice pretty color here. Nice pretty yellow. And then mix, mix, mix. Okay. It's nice to be back in the little kits again. At this point, I have 2 more, just 2 more vendor items, and I have none for 2020. So I am going in a different direction, I think. We will see. I'm going to still have vendors send me stuff, but it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to focus more on the vintage toys and sets. But I will still do new items that I get from vendors. I will mix like this and match. This is a new item, but it's a maker, so here we go. All right, so now take the tray this way and start with all yellow here. It looks like it's nicely mixed and it's starting to set. So stop talking and start pouring. Okay, number one. They have little tiny feet. I could see that being an issue when you're trying to take the gummy out. We will see. Now I should do part of a rainbow. I'm probably not following the instructions completely. Let's see, for the rainbow, here's how to make, yeah, that's it. Mix 1 tablespoon of red, fill 1/3 of the rainbow, repeat. So I could do that here. I'm just going to do it a little bit opposite. They probably just want it to stop there. It'll roll over. A little bit. 1/3. It's really starting to set now. So I'm just going to put 1 in each of these. Okay. Is that my stomach growling? Ooh, I was going to do one more. Let me do one more. Okay, so now I'm going to go colors. So let me switch to the blue. Okay, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of the blah. Moving too fast. I'm spilling. I'm spilling. I'm spilling. Okay, let me wipe that off. Now there is yellow left, so you're gonna get some waste, just so you know. There will be waste. Or just put it in a different set of molds that you have off to the side, or just leave it in the bowl. You'll have one giant gummy in the shape of your bowl. Okay, let's do I'm doing a different color combo than them as well, so I have to say they are small. They are tiny gummies, probably the size of a regular gummy bear. It's already starting to set. We've experienced this with gummies before, that you have to move quick or everything sets on you. Let's see, let's get this a little bit further in a color there. I'll tell you what, I'm going to do an all blue one too, where it starts blue, like the little unicorns. Okay, I think I'm close there. Now they want the next shade. So I have some clouds. This is almost perfect now. It's holding its shape. The first one was a little... Okay. Let's get the next color going. Yeah, it is my stomach. Okay. Clean this up, come back. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to eat it. Tasty. It is tasty. Okay, last but not least is the red. Then I can get this all working in the fridge. I'm going to mix utensils. Since I might share these gummies, I licked that one, but I can grab another one. They're real handy. Oh, you know what? I can just wash it in a little water. We'll see. Yeah, I'll grab another little spoon. Hold on. Okay, and this goes to the same set. And it's handy, so let's just get these full ones going. Now to get each individual stripe like they show, now, that would take a great deal of time. So if you want to do that one, and that's what your little one wants, set some time aside for that, because I think you need to really cool each color. I really want to pour some of this on my white cloud ones. Okay, let's get these in here. I'm going to put a little red on each of these, so I have some rainbow color variants there. Then I'll fill this up. I do want to show you the ones in the bowl. I'm going to show you that next. I'll show you how those have set up in that amount of time. Here is the yellow. The yellow is set. And here is the blue. The blue is set. So those are done. I can't do much with those. Well, maybe I can just mix them all together. Is it too late to put this on top of this? Ooh, look at that. That's cool. Oh, that one's a little set. I'm going to stick it in here anyway. We're just going to let it. I'm going to bring it all to the fridge now. I'll let it sit, harden up a little bit, and we'll see what we come up with. Okay, I am back. This kind of reminded me of a weird green eggs and ham, but I brought it anyway. And then here is the gummy powder mix. Now, they say put it in a bag and shake your gummies in there, but I'm going to just kind of dump a little bit here in my bowl. Sour mix. Did I say gummy mix? This is the sour mix. Okay. Now these came out. Okay. I missed some legs. I probably should have done that, but a little more thorough there. You could see it better from the back side. That's pretty cool, huh? So let's see. Now I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to poke these out. Actually, let me grab a toothpick. Okay. See if I can peel them out. We'll kind of need to see how tough they are. They are pretty tough. Okay, so I have some tough gummies. I'll start putting gummies up there. And then I do want to do a cloud in the sour mix. So let me grab a cloud. I'm grabbing a cloud. Never thought I'd be able to grab a cloud, but I did. I'm going to toss it around in here. Now it's hard to tell that I'm getting white powder on it, but it's coating it really nice. There, that looks like an egg too. Okay, I might do a few more. Let's get out one of my rainbow looking clouds. So they're tough enough where it looks like you can pull on them. Hey, that's still pretty neat. Came out okay. Here, how about this? We do the rainbows on a rainy day. Okay, and somewhere I need a jumping unicorn. So let's see how, I'm going to do the unicorn from the front. Oh, wow. Ooh, I ripped off one leg. Unicorn without a leg. I had a feeling these were going to be kind of tough. It's deep, and it's like a really skinny. Now this one should have been filled more. Just wasn't paying attention. Those come out really nice. Okay, and then another cloud. Let's take this whole thing and put it in the sour so you can see what it looks like. Big sour gummy. Now it does say in the instructions, which I like, that these do not taste like store-bought gummies. You can learn more in the booklet. So it gives you more information. Let's take out a white unicorn. Let's see if I can get one. No, leg ripped off, tail ripped off. All right, I want one full unicorn. Let's poke out his leg. Poke out his tail. Let's poke out his horn. They're really deep. Let's see. Two little legs here. Okay. Come on, buddy. I did it. One complete gummy unicorn. There you go. With a little extra gummy. You can go in the cloud. You're in the cloud in the rainbow, jumping over. Okay, so that's good. I don't think I need to get them all out, but let me try to get a blue one. There's a nice one. Oh, perfect. This seems to be the best gummy for pulling out. These are missing legs anyway, so I'm not going to fret. And a red one. Ooh, let's get this rainbow one. Uh-oh. He's got a lame foot. Oh, I got a blue, I got a red, I got a yellow. I think I'm good. Okay. Let's get a little more sour. Let's take this blue guy. Blink. Let's get him nice and sour. There you are. Okay, now that is done. And then let's see, does this just peel out? Yep. Actually, if I could take this off, yeah, I could, see? There, I made an egg. So you can make an egg. Not a pleasant looking egg you'd want to eat, but let me do this. Let me take some of this nice big chunky piece of gummy. Here we go, I'm going to bite it. Very sour. Ooh, with the powder right on it. The taste. Let me eat another gummy. Let me try a vanilla one. I'll tell you what. The vanilla. So yeah. It's like a rubbery gummy. It's not a gummy where you got to bite down and chew, 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 chew forever to break through it. It's really soft and you kind of rip through it right away. The vanilla is very light flavored. I will say all the flavorings are light to me. They're not super strong flavorings. The phases of man. Okay, let's do this. Here's what I'll do. I'll eat gummies and I'll just kind of go through this so you can see what I didn't do. So I got all of that. That's where I stopped. Now here's what they want you to do for the rainbows. Look at that. You're trying to fill one individual slot. One individual slot. That would take some time. There's 15 steps here. And to make the white on the top, you even have to mix the white. That's why they told you to save it, remember? There's enough red, yellow, and blue gummy mix to experiment 2, 3, or 4 a second and third time. Each of these experiments requires 3 tablespoons of gummy mix, 1 tablespoon of each color, not including white. So you can do any 2 of them twice. Oh, there's a QR code up here to get an instructional video for this experiment. So color mixing. So here's where we get to the scientific side. Ooh, what's happening? Gummy experiment. Now that you've made your gummy, do you think there's a way to remove the flavoring and sugar from the gummies while still keeping them intact? Removing the color from gummies. You will need a gummy shape, A drinking glass of water. Here's how. Fill a glass jar with 150 milliliters of water, about 2/3 of a cup, and place the gummy into the water. What do you think will happen to gummy when you place it in the water? Let the cup or a jar sit in an out of the way location for a day. Maybe I'll just do that off to the side. I don't know. And then here's some grass is greener. Color mixing. The color detectors in your eye. And then here's what's happening for the geek out section. Ooh, now they're really getting into some. What is gummy? What makes gummies gummy? Gelatin. Carrageenan. Agar-agar. 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 Yeah, whatever. And then measuring volume. Oh, how to measure volume. So here, gummy mold tray, measuring cup, food coloring. So this is doing something a little bit different. You're just experimenting with measuring water in the molds. It doesn't look like you're mixing any kind of... So colored water. Melting and freezing. So you can do that. 2 gummy candies to microwave-safe plates. Take one of the gummies and place it on a microwave-safe plate. Place it in the microwave for 15 seconds. Take the plate out of the microwave. Be careful the plate may be hot. Ooh. Place your microwave in the refrigerator. No, I want to just play with it. It's going to be mushy and smushy. It's not going to hold its shape. Record your observations. I got a microwave handy. Should we just throw some of these in a microwave and see what happens? I think so. I will be back. Here, we'll microwave my little egg in a bowl. All right, it's been a long while since I've been at the microwave. So let me remember now, all microwaves are different. This is a 700-watt microwave, so I'll set it for 30 seconds, even though it's at 15, and I'll check it at 15. But we're going to watch it together, so let's start the microwave. All right, 30 seconds. Oh, it's already totally melted, so I don't think I need to go. Ooh, that was cool. All right, let's take a look at it. That was about 15 seconds, so it doesn't take much for it to melt. So let me bring that back. I think our experiment pretty much shows you what's going to happen here. So let's move it back here now and check it out. All right, look at that. It is turned into a very liquidy, almost looks like a pretty sky. Let me do this. I want to put my rainbow. Oh, even the ones on the tabletop are already starting. That one was very wet and moist. Let's see. Let's get a little cloud in the sky. And let me get my unicorn. Ooh, we'll do the white one dancing around. And let me take a look at it now. How cool is that? So that is a fun experiment. It's not hot enough to melt what's there, but it is cool to check out. So let me give you a nice close-up shot of that. And it's really melted. So I'm sure the experiment's going to say, well, the one in the freezer, refrigerator, oh, let it sit in the freezer and let it sit there for 1 day in the freezer. Okay. How is the gummy able to melt and then reform into a gummy again? See next page. Okay. The phases of matter. You just kind of want to mix this up. I'll do it now because I think we all want to see the cool colors in there. Oh, that one's melted. So it's hot enough to melt these. Okay, it's like old times, right? Having fun with gummies. All right, parents, I think you got a good idea about this kit, what it does, what you can do, and how much fun you can have learning about the phases of matter. And thanks again to Thames Kosmos for sending this to me to check out a video. It is tasty, it is fun to do, and as always, thanks for watching and supporting Lucky Penny Shop. Later! If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.